Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shergill, insurance broker in Ontario. Today I'm going to discuss something to do, like to do the right thing. I get everyday calls regarding car insurance or home insurance or property insurance. People call at the last moment, and it's create too much stress for the brokers to find a better deal, and also for the clients who are looking for insurance for their property or auto insurance or for the business. So it's very important to call ahead, like especially when people are buying the rental properties or buying multiple units homes or roaming homes or student rental. It takes some time to get the insurance quote from different companies and put all the facts together and present the case to the insurance company to get the best quote possible. So if you want to get the best quote possible with the right coverage, you call ahead. You know that when you bought the property, and see what next steps are there. You already contacted your lawyer, and your lawyer should be the one also telling you to arrange the insurance ahead of time. But mostly what happens, almost every day we get the call at the last moment, either on the same day or even at 4 o'clock in the evening, when there is only 1 hour left for closing. And if you don't have insurance for your property on that day before 5 o'clock, or some lawyers ask before 11 o'clock in the morning, your closing can be delayed till next day, and you are going to lose thousands of dollars in extra penalties from the banks, from the other sellers or lenders, or you name it. And so it's just not thinking ahead, not doing the right thing costs you a lot more. So make sure you have all your facts together. You should know who's your bank who's lending you money. It's called mortgagee. Mortgagee is the one who lends you money to buy the property. And same thing for car insurance. You need to know who's your lessor. Lessor is the one who leases you the car, or lien holder is the one who financed you the car. So it's so these things you can put together ahead of time. Call the insurance broker. No insurance broker costs any money to you until you buy the insurance. This is the only business where we get paid after we deliver the service. Even the lawyers, they charge consulting fees. Even some accountants also charge. Many other businesses charge upfront to consult. But insurance is the only business where you can call anybody and get advice, get code, one code, two code, or three codes, wherever you feel comfortable. And you don't have to pay any penny unless you sign the contract and you agree with the terms and conditions, and you got the insurance. So make sure, same thing for the business. A lot of people buying small business or big business, sometimes they also got everything right except insurance. When they call for insurance, we need to have so many questions asked before we can give the quote. We have to know what's the business name, first of all, address, who's the owner, how much experience you have, and do you have insurance before, or do you have any claims before, or where is the business, what is on the left side of the building and what is on the right side of the building, and what is on the back and what is on the front. So all four sides matter for liability purposes. Let's say you have a clothing store, and next door to you is a restaurant. So restaurant create more liability to the insurance company, because if there's fire in the restaurant, the clothing store can burn down. So you need to know where is your exact location and tell the insurance company like that. And also for business insurance, you need to tell how much your gross revenue is. Insurance is based on, the liability is based on your gross revenue and how much you make in a year approximately. If you have continuous business for many years, you have to tell from last 3 4 years, what is the trend, going upward or stay the same, and also how many employees you have. So how many employees also matters, and what is their payroll, how much you pay them, and what is the leftover for you. So if the business is not that viable, many companies don't give insurance. So don't try to say that you have revenue only 45,000 or $50,000 when you are actually making around $200,000 revenue. So it's better to give the right revenue so that it makes sense to give you insurance, and also makes sense to think that you have a viable business, because there's no point having a business if your gross is $40,000, because these days even if you work minimum wage without any opening business, you can still make around $40,000. uh, so has to be the right information, and what kind of products you carry, from where you buy, and to who you sell, who's your suppliers, and who's your you get the money, sorry, the product from. Like, do you get stuff from China or US? Do you ship to US or other countries? And all these things are important. And liability, lot of landlords, like if you renting a unit in the plaza or in the building, landlords looking for up to $5 million of commercial general liability. So, and some still take about $2 million liability. So you got to know and talk to the landlord and see what is the requirement for liability insurance. So, and once you have all those facts together, and make sure you give your right email address, and if you have website address, give the website, and if you have any Facebook link there, we can check it, and posts regarding your business or your Facebook account for your business. So that's also helpful. And other thing is that do not put nonsense stuff on the Facebook of your business. Sometimes we found that when companies go to look at the social media, they find some weird stuff on your Facebook account of the business, like weird pictures and different kind of parties. I cannot name them on here right now, but it's kind of very weird, and we had a case where we almost lost to get a court, because companies say, look, they are doing this, this is a kind of strip club or something, they are doing some different business, but when actually somebody else tag their business name to some pictures, and the pictures gone on to their Facebook account, and so we had hard time convincing the insurance company that no, it's just a genuine family restaurant. So this kind of stuff. So once again, so this is very important to get the right information. And same thing for car insurance. When you are buying a car, you know that you have a car, and what is the next step? Next step is call the insurance broker and tell that this is the car I bought, this is my bill of sale. And if you got a brand new car, you have to have a bill of sale to get a waiver of depreciation. That means if your car is write off in an accident, total loss, within 2 years or within 4 years, some companies give, you get full money, and including your taxes paid for the damage. So it's a very good benefit. So that's why sometimes I tell people better to buy a brand new vehicle than buying a 1 or 2 year used vehicle, because when you buy brand new, your interests are lower than the used vehicle, plus you get waiver of depreciation coverage up to 4 years only if you are the first owner of the car and car is brand new, maybe less than 100 kilometers driven. So that's very important. And these days I see that some of the dealers, they give the only VIN number to the clients, and they say, yeah, here's VIN number, you get the insurance. No. So make sure you get the bill of sale under your name or under your business name if you're getting the vehicle under your business name, and do not leave the place until you get the bill of sale or some kind of paper where it shows what vehicle it is and who's buying it, and the dealership, and also if you have a financing company name and address and from where you're financing it, that also you need it at the moment. Because when you are buying a big vehicle or it's a lot of money, so it's their duty to give you the proper information, and it's your right to get the proper information when you give the deposit and you are making a big deal. So that's very, very important to get the bill of sale under your name and give it to the insurance broker, because then we will see if the vehicle is brand new or used. It happens to me one time. I went to buy Mercedes Benz, and the dealer told me that it's a brand new vehicle, and they're giving me very good deal. It's almost $3,000 to $4,000 cheaper than the market value or whatever the value they were saying. So I said, okay. I went to buy the vehicle. It was almost 8:30 in the evening. Finally, I did all the things what they have to do, the formalities. But finally, when the lady gave me the bill of sale, it shows the vehicle is used and it has 8,000 kilometers on it. I said, no, I don't want it. I want the brand new vehicle. I signed up for brand new. They say, oh, it's almost brand new. We were using it in our office, or my manager was using it only for a couple months, so it's almost brand new, so nothing wrong with it. But then I told them that no, because this is used vehicle, I won't be able to get a waiver of depreciation. They say, oh, you will. I said, I'm an insurance broker, so I know better regarding how insurance works. So I left the place and didn't buy the vehicle. I said, no, I need the brand new vehicle. So these things happen. So make sure you know your rights and you check the paper, and even though it's so many things on the bill of sale, but at least read the important ones: your name, VIN number, year, make, model of the vehicle, how many kilometers, is it saying used or new vehicle, and any other condition. And other thing, the interest rates showing up there, and sometimes people don't even remember that how much the vehicle is cost them. If you don't have a good record, credit history, sometimes vehicle costs you more than double the price. Because I read bill of sales every day when I do car insurance. One day I seen that vehicle was original price was $27,000, and after they put the HST taxes on it, then they bought some warranty on the vehicle, then they bought the gap insurance, then they paid 17% interest on it to buy the vehicle, and so many other things. The final number I seen at the bottom was $52,000 for the vehicle. So $27,000 vehicle in 5 to 6 years monthly payments, and with all the taxes and all the extras, it cost $52,000. So read the final figure before you leave, make a deal. So it's very, very important. So these are some of my tips. That's why I call this video to do the right thing. So do the right thing and save yourself a lot of money, and get proper insurance, and then you will be happy, and we will be also happy that we did the right thing, and you provide the proper information and we provide the proper quote for insurance. My intention is always to give the best insurance possible to serve your interests, because I believe that if I serve you better, then I will make more money. That's my philosophy always. I'm follower of Zig Ziglar. He always say that if you do enough things for other people, and you will get everything what you need in life. So that's why I say that you do your part in getting proper facts, and it's my job at my office to do the right thing for you for insurance. So give me a call at 416-831-0215, or email me shergill.insurance gmail.com. This is my personal email. I can check anywhere on the road or on my phone, but you can also send the email to my business email. My first name, Jagtar at ableinsurance.ca. So I'm putting this on the screen as well, my phone number and my both emails. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with other people. You might help other people do the right thing, and put a comment underneath so that I can improve myself and give you more and more tips and improve myself and serve you better. So have a good day and thanks for watching and God bless you.